Hi, and welcome to Evalink Tutorials. Together, we will enable and set up the email integration into your Evalink Talos account. The integration comes handy when you want Evalink Talos to send emails on your behalf by your company email address. Before you start, you will need a dedicated email address, like talos@sitasys.com. Your system administrator can help you get the necessary credentials. An SMTP host, such as smtp.office365.com, an SMTP port, which is usually port 587, and a set of username and password. Once your email address is set up, you will need to add the integration into your Evalink Talos account. From your Evalink Talos dashboard, navigate to the menu Company and click on the tab Integrations. Search for Email and click on Add Integration. Now, let's configure the email integration. Enter the email address, the SMTP host and port, and, finally, the username and password provided by your administrator. To finish the integration setup, click on Submit. The state should now change to Enabled. If not, you should double-check the credentials you entered in the previous step. As a verification step, you need to click on the three dots and then select the first option, Send Test Email, to the email of your choice. A confirmation message should appear at the top of the screen. And that's it! Evalink Talos is now configured to automatically send emails from your email address.